everyone, DBellington here, and today I am doing an unboxing video. I'm so excited. I have been wanting a webcam for a while because I do want to move my channel from being audio intros to actually being on camera. So I finally got a camera. I got a Logitech C922 and here it is right here. Super excited. I cannot wait. And another reason why I'm doing this video is because I am making sure that I will actually use it. So anyway, so I got this actually on eBay. I am a huge eBay nerd. And you know, I tend to find everything cheaper on eBay, so actually let me show you the back first. And I'm sure so many people have this camera already, but you know, it's new to me. So there is the information, and again, the front a little bit closer. Yeah, so I've been waiting a while. Also, I think, you know, while I do this, I will give you a little bit of background about my channel. I have had my channel, oh my gosh. Ugh. Literally, you have no idea how long I've been waiting for this. Oh, and I got it off of eBay, but it is brand new. Wow. Anyway, sorry. I'm really excited. I have had my channel since 2006. I was 17 at the time. Oh, how cute. There's a little tripod. Oh, so cute. Anyway, sorry, I was 17 years old, and my very first video that I did was a slideshow of Marilyn Monroe. How cute is this? So here is the camera. Adorable. It's kind of heavy. Anyway, sorry. So I made a slideshow of Marilyn Monroe. I was 17 and I didn't think anything of it. I just kind of did it because I enjoyed making slideshows back then. And I made a second one a year later, but between the time that I made the first one and the second one, the first one just like completely exploded. If you go to it now, it has over 1 million views, a lot of comments, and it kind of surprised me. And after I did those two videos, so what, like 12 years ago and 11 years ago? Crazy. Ugh, I'm getting old. After that, I just used YouTube to watch videos, to watch my favorite YouTubers. And then, you know, in the back of my mind, I've always wanted to be a content creator. I don't necessarily enjoy, you know, everyday jobs like retail. I've done so much retail, and it's just not for me. And I also aspire to be a writer, an author. I have so many ideas, I just need to get them out onto paper. But I always knew that I wanted to be a content creator, and I was watching, you know, my favorite YouTubers, and I thought, if they can do it, why can't I? And another reason I have been really wanting to be on camera is because I have noticed, besides unboxing channels and like fashion channels, I haven't seen a lot of plus size gamers, specifically female gamers. And it's kind of disheartening because every time I, you know, go to the hashtag female gamer, girl gamer, which I don't really like using that. I refer to women as women, not girls. But that's a whole other video. But every time I look at like the hashtags on Instagram or even Facebook, like it's always females with cleavage out, and they're doing like, you know, the typical, oh my goodness, you know, type of thing. And that's not who I want to be. I want to be myself. And, you know, to be honest, it's a little nerve-wracking being a bigger person because people aren't nice. But you know what? That's the risk that I have to take to make my dream come true. So, as of, I want to say it was like a year ago, I started slowly uploading my Dying Light gameplay. Like anytime something cool would happen, I would upload it. And started getting a little bit of views. And my husband and I live in California, and we spent a lot of time up in Monterey, specifically at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. It's one of our favorite places besides Disneyland. We actually, for our honeymoon, we split my half, which was Monterey, and then his half was Disneyland. So anyway, so we're pretty obsessed with Monterey. And a year ago, you know, I was recording a lot of, like, we were spending a lot of time there, and I was recording a lot of videos, and I thought, you know, it'd be really cool if I just added really relaxing music, and, you know, maybe people would want to watch it. So that's what I did. And the response was really great. My husband and I love traveling. We haven't been able to travel recently, but you know, I'm always with my camera, always love taking photos. And so I started making the relaxing, I call them the relaxing videos for Monterey. And it just kind of inspired me to be like, you know what? I can do this. And I was nervous to do it, but I did it. And so I've just kept going. And the response has been pretty good. A little bit about my channel now. I play everything. I'm a variety YouTuber. That's what I'm going to say. Variety. Love playing new games. Love playing retro games. Which that's kind of painful to say because that means games from my childhood are retro now. Ouch. But I like to play iPhone games. I also, with my channel, I know I want to do a couple speaking videos specifically about things that affect my life, like mental health, PCOS, which if you don't know what that is, it's a not fun disorder that women can get. There's a lot that I want to do with this channel, so I'm excited. And just so you know, I like to talk a lot, so if you don't like hearing a lot of talking, I am not the person for you. But all of that is coming to the point of this, and that's why this is so important to me, because to me, the only thing that I'm missing now is my official microphone, which I am waiting, I'm saving up, it's a little bit expensive. My colors, as you can tell, are always going to be red, black, and white. Those are actually the colors of my wedding, my favorite colors ever. I love deep red. I tend to dye my hair a lot. I dye my hair red, so you'll see that. But I'm waiting for a Yeti satin red microphone. I'm so excited. It's going to be the next step, but you have to take little steps. So once I have my microphone, nothing's going to stop me. So that's what this means to me. Just this and my microphone, and I have no excuse not to upload videos with me on camera. I'm going to keep it as kind of a motivation. Also, I'm trying to get into streaming more. I tend to stream on the weekends when I have time, and I do want to be on camera for that. Still a little nervous about that, but it is what it is. So anyway, hopefully this was a good unboxing video. I guess more than anything, it was an explanation of my channel. But I guess I should probably finish the whole unboxing thing. So basically this one just came with the camera, the tripod, and the instructions. And it looks like I got XSplit Woo. So, yeah, this is exciting. So if you're still watching this, thank you for sticking around. I hope to upload a lot more. I hope to find a community of subscribers that are my tribe. I feel like they're out there, and I feel like I can do this. So if you're a current subscriber and you're watching this, thank you. And if you are a new visitor and you want to be a subscriber, please feel free. And I say this with every video. If there's anything that you want to see, any game, any app, let me know in the comments. I will always say that. That'll always be a thing. I always want to know what people want to see. And thank you for sticking around. And again, I'm DBellington, and thank you so much for checking out this video. Until next time.